Welcome warriors to the ultimate showdown. Today we're diving into a battle like no other, a clash between the legendary Bruce Lee and nature's most fierce warriors. Imagine this, Bruce Lee, the king of martial arts, stepping into the heart of the jungle, facing off against the deadliest creatures on Earth. Who will come out on top? Will Bruce Lee's lightning-fast moves and unmatched skills be enough to conquer the wild? Or will nature's fiercest warriors prove too much even for the dragon himself? Stay tuned because this is one battle you don't want to miss. 1. Setting the stage. Before we dive into the action, let's set the stage. Picture this, deep in the Amazon rainforest where the air is thick with humidity and the sounds of the jungle echo all around. This is no ordinary battlefield. Here survival is the name of the game and every creature is a master of its domain. From stealthy predators to venomous killers, the jungle is home to some of the most dangerous animals on the planet. And today Bruce Lee is stepping into their territory. But who is Bruce Lee and why is he the perfect contender for this ultimate jungle battle? Bruce Lee wasn't just a martial artist, he was a phenomenon. Known for his incredible speed, precision, and philosophy of adaptability, Bruce Lee revolutionized combat. His famous quote, "Be like water," reflects his ability to adapt to any situation. And in the jungle, adaptability is key. 2. Bruce Lee's skills. Let's break down Bruce Lee's arsenal. First, his speed. Bruce Lee could deliver punches and kicks faster than the blink of an eye. His one-inch punch is legendary, capable of knocking an opponent back with just a few inches of movement. Then there's his agility. Bruce Lee could move like a shadow, dodging attacks and striking with precision. And let's not forget his mental strength. Bruce Lee wasn't just a fighter, he was a strategist. He believed in using his opponent's energy against them. But how will these skills hold up against nature's fiercest warriors? Let's meet the contenders. 3. Nature's fiercest warriors. First up, the king of the jungle, the Bengal tiger. With razor-sharp claws, powerful jaws, and unmatched stealth, the Bengal tiger is a force to be reckoned with. This apex predator can take down prey twice its size with ease. But can it outmatch Bruce Lee's speed and precision? Next we have the black mamba, one of the deadliest snakes in the world. Known for its speed and highly venomous bite, the black mamba can strike multiple times in seconds. Its agility and lethal venom make it a formidable opponent. But can it outmaneuver Bruce Lee's reflexes? And then there's the saltwater crocodile, the largest living reptile. With a bite force of over 3,700 pounds per square inch, this ancient predator can crush bones in an instant. Its armored body and powerful tail make it nearly invincible in the water. But can it withstand Bruce Lee's strategic combat skills? Finally, we have the African lion, the ultimate symbol of strength and courage.